everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a Game Pass in Please Donate on Roblox. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now to do so, you're going to exit the Roblox launcher and exit the game for Please Donate. Then you're going to go to your Google, and then you're going to go to this website, create.roblox.com. Once you go there and you log into your account, you're going to go to head settings, then go to now from here you're going to go to creation. Then from here, you're going to click on Laser Chad's Place or whatever your name is because this is the username for the account. Then from here, you're going to go to monetization and then you're going to go to passes. Then you're going to create a pass. Now from here, you have a default picture that you can change, but for now, we're going to keep it as it is. Then you give it a name. So for example, subscribe, like you have to subscribe for this video. Then from here, you can add whatever description you want. So it will be like subscribe, please. Then you're going to create. Then from here, you're going to right. Now you need to enable it. So to do that, you're going to go to sales and then you're going to click on item for sale and you're going to enable it. Then you'll add 50, for example. Then you're going to save changes. Now you can go back to your game and then from here you can go to please donate. And then now once it launches, we can now go ahead and whatever stand that you would like. And I'll show you that it can be right here. So as you can see, you have text. You're going to claim the stand. And as you can see, now you have the 50 that we just said for please subscribe. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.